Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I want to make sure that I got everything on, that I got my mic on, that I've got my lights on. Again, I'm still getting well. Thank y'all for those of you who have been concerned about me being sick. I have been very sick. I had sinusitis complications with bronchitis, and then they switched the drugs up so many times. I've had 3 different doctors tell me, we're going to take you off this. Everything they put you on, we're going to take you off this, and we're going to put you on this. And it's heavy stuff, y'all. It's big guns, like, prednisone and amoxicillin, things that they treat you for pneumonia. And, heavy steroids you don't really want in your body, but at some point, you have to get well, and nothing was working. So anyway, thank you for your prayers. Important thing is the prayers. I've been just praying for myself and asking others to pray for me. Lord, please have mercy. I know there's many people who are much more sick, little children with cancer, people with, all kinds of stuff, and just I try not to feel sorry for myself. But at the same time, I was getting pretty worn out, y'all. And especially for those of you who are my friends here on video, I really appreciate that you were like, Beth, it's okay. It's okay for you to take some time and get well. So, in the meantime, I am very dried out sounding, and probably not the best format of myself because I just haven't felt like it. But by the way, this top is actually something that I got recently, and I really enjoy it. I'll link it below. It's just a denim top, but it's got embroidery on it, and I really like it, and it actually looks good with denim. Normally I don't do denim on denim, especially like denim on denim jeans and a denim jacket and a denim. But this actually looks cute. I guess because of all the excess embroidery. It's a Coldwater Creek, and I will link it. Today, I want to do an unboxing. I think I will likely, hopefully, return this because I'm spending too much money. This is kind of my Christmas. I did a fall video the other day where I unboxed a Brahmin that was in navy. It was just a plain kind of smooth leather purse, and then also a kind of a plum. I think the color was called Sugar Plum, and it was a mini Cali from Brahmin. So I love Brahmin handbags. They're around $200-300. They're very high quality and craftsmanship, good leather. They're comparable to all these high-end name brands. And people would say, no, Beth, they're not. Yes, they are. I have so many handbags. And yes, they are. But this is different. This is Sid Mashburn. And I have never seen in person. Here is the unboxing itself. Thank you very much. I like that it says thank you very much. The stickers. And drop that off. Here's the bag. This was $695. This is not a cheap bag. And Mashburn, boy, this is soft. But it says this is the ZOE Tote dark brown leather. This year the color is burgundy, and then the other fashion color this year is dark brown, like a dark chocolate brown. And this is it. So let's see. Ooh, that is pretty. And how's the leather? I don't know. I really want to not like this because I want to return it. So that's my goal, to return this. I always put things next to my face so you can see the actual size of a product. It's got a rolled handle, very long, and it's also clearly meant to be a shoulder bag, as you can see. Inside, it has 2 large compartments. Let me open that up for you. On either side, separated by a zipper compartment. I'm going to go ahead and pull out at least one of these sides all the way down so you can see this is pretty deep. I mean, this is almost like a tote, shopping tote. Here it is again, Ann Mashburn. ZOE Tote, dark brown leather, $695. And for those of you who are interested, it is style number S75115, and it's SKU number 2003821. And so that is the bag. Inside, it has 2 slip pockets. You can see right there. It has this big compartment that is a divider compartment that is also a very nice zipper. That's a very good zipper, by the way. That's very smooth. Look how smooth that is. And then on this side, I'll go ahead and just take this out. It has another zipper pocket. Very smooth. This is a smaller, obviously, than this big divider one. And it is not branded. There's nothing that says Sid on there. But this right here does. This is the little, y'all have seen these before, the little credit card slot right there. And it does have the brand name on it, and it just says, let me look up close so I can read it, and then I'll tell you. It says, Anne Mashburn, made in Italy. So these are made in Italy. Anne Mashburn, obviously, is the wife of Sid Mashburn, and this is the female brand side of the Sid S-I-D, Sid Mashburn brand. And there is no outside pockets, which I don't like that because I do like to have a pocket for my cell phone. But as long as, if I need my cell phone access easy, as long as there is these two flip pockets here, or I'm sorry, slip pockets here, and they're big enough for my big old cell phone, because I have a big one, then that's fine too. This is clearly a casual bag. When I saw this beautiful young gal, who is a friend of mine's daughter, her name's Emma, and she works there, and she was just carrying this with her little boots and her little jeans. I think they were like a bell-bottom jean and jacket. She just kind of was carrying it like this. She's tall, and was just carrying it, and I thought, wow, that's a good looking bag. And y'all, have to tell you, I think it's going to be hard to not keep this. It does have contrast stitching right here on the edges where the rolled handle, this is rolled leather, which is so much more comfortable in your hand than flat leather. I do have really high-end flat leather handle bags, but I prefer rolled leather, not even like a vachetta leather like by Louis Vuitton's or the Hermes. It's smaller. This is a big wide area, so it's just easy to throw on. You don't have to have an extra shoulder strap. Just throw it on and go. Uh-oh, I think I might like this too much to return it. What am I doing? No. What do y'all think? Here's the other thing. The leather smell. I would say this is not comparable to Fry. When you open Fry leather in a package, before you even pull everything back, you can smell that leather. This is not that. But then again, I've been sick. But it's not that. But I gotta say this. It's super duper supple. Super supple. It's very smooth leather. And smell leather is just not very, very strong, like that raw cow smell. But maybe that's not what it's meant to be. Here's the other thing that I'll say, and I'll have to do some research on this, and I will link this below. It may be because this is oiled and treated for water resistance, and you do want that. Remember the Dooney & Burke that I have that's Florentine leather, and it was raining, and I covered it in this, I was at the grocery store, covered it in grocery store bags, and then it slipped out the bottom and went right, of course, into a rain puddle, splashed up and ruined. There are splash marks on it because it's Florentine leather. What does that mean? It's beautiful, smooth leather, but it's not treated for water resistance. This is very important to me to have on the bottom of the bag, is when you fill this, this will sit nicely because it's squared off bottom, that it has the little feet on the bottom to protect the leather, because it keeps the leather bottom from hitting whatever is the feet first. They're not as big, they're not that big, so they're going to hit a little bit. But this is just really a good looking bag. I don't know. My Fry is also a dark chocolate brown. It is a very good smelling leather. It is more of it's going to get skin up and you're going to feel it because it's untreated. Because clearly I feel like it could take a few skints on it and it would take it anyway. It's a little more cosmopolitan looking. It's a little younger, modern looking, which that young gal, Emma, was carrying it that way. And like I said, she was almost carrying it like this, almost like a tote that way, to where, it's very casual. Of course, she's very tall and I'm only 5 feet. She's probably closer to 5'8", would be my guess. But I still don't feel like this is oversized for a shorter lady. I am a shorter lady. I'm holding this purposely right at my chest breast level. So you can see you hold on to it, and it's super comfy. Like I was in the grocery store if I was shopping, to throw it in and out of the car. It's not such a long handle that, it's a pain to kind of get in and out of the car. So this is a good everyday bag. It's clearly, like I said, not fancy at all. This is a casual bag. I would not carry this in any way as a dress bag. But I got plenty of dress bags. This would be an everyday casual bag. I think it would hold up really well. And I think what I'm going to say is, Little Miss Anne Mashburn. Sid Mashburn, they do a lot of custom suits for men in our office. That they literally come in there, fit them there. I mean, it's very high-end and nice. And then when you go in the store, they're just really high-quality craftsmanship for suits, and obviously now for handbags. And Anne Mashburn's joined in on that. I don't know as much about the brand, so I need to go research it. I will link it. But I gotta say, I think I love this. $700. Y'all know I spent $5,000, and you know, I got 2 Hermeses up there. So I mean, I got my Prada right there. It's $5,000. So, but is this, you know, worth $695? Honestly, I think the quality it is, y'all. I think this. Oh my gosh, I think this might be a keeper. I wasn't gonna keep it, but I think I am. What do y'all think? Comment below. Should I keep it? It's a great bag. I feel like this would go into my like old age lady. You could turn it into a tote besides a handbag. That was old. You could fit, honestly, you could put your laptop in here. Uh-oh. Something's a purse and a laptop. Okay. Keeping it. Keeping it. Love you guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.